Neil from Essex here to show you around a very special Kubota RTV. This is the 2022 Desert Sand Edition. This is a limited run of RTV Sidekicks, their model 850, that's made to celebrate Kubota's 50th anniversary here in the United States. There are only 1,100 of these being made, one per dealer location, for every dealership that Kubota has here in the country. So between the 5 Messick stores, we will have 5 of these things available. Gonna walk you around here and show you some of the things that make it special.
Essex, a helping hand with your land.
So the one thing that is truly unique about this model is this desert sand color. I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with it at times, but overall I think it's sharp looking the way kind of this unique tan color and the black go together on the machine. It is unique looking and cool. The coloring that it's on this is not just like a surface decal or anything. They actually have the proper tan plastic panels made, so if you happen to scratch one of these, you're not gonna find orange or black or some other color underneath of it. It's impregnated into the plastic and done properly. If you're shopping for a Kubota Sidekick, the real value in this video is probably not this specific machine. Like I said, the quantities of these things are extremely limited, and by the time you probably see this video, odds are all the ones that we have at the very least are going to be sold out. However, one thing that this machine does highlight here is the long list of accessories that are available for these machines. It's very difficult for me to be able to go through and show these things on video because it's really unusual for us to have so many on one unit, and this really shows all of that well. Kubota has baked all of these accessories into this Desert Sand Edition. This is going to be a costly unit, right? Because of the limited nature of them, they're probably going to sell at list price. Starting here at the bottom of the machine, you're going to see there's a Warn winch here on the front. It's a rope winch with a nice metal hook that comes out the front. This is operated using a switch back here on the dash and does have a remote that can come through as well so that you can stand here in the front of the machine if you're going to operate it. As you work your way up, you'll see that there's a dual headlight kit. These dual headlights are included on the black special edition version of the Sidekick, but the more common orange worksite model that you usually see only has one of these LED headlights filled in. This comes through with the optional kit that you can put on any machine that fills both the headlights in the front. Those headlights, though, are not nearly as effective as the 13-inch LED light bar that's up here on the top of the roof. So there is a cutout, a bump out here on the top of the roof to accommodate this, a plug that passes through it that goes to a switch plate back on the inside of the cab. You'll notice the windshield here on the front. This is the best windshield that's offered for this machine. There are several options. This one is glass, and so it's going to accept a wiper, kind of the best out of any of the different windshields that are available, and it's the least apt to scratch compared to the plastic or polyacrylic versions. The long list of accessories continues inside the cab. So in order to support that LED light bar up there on the roof, you have an accessory switch panel down here over top of the speedometer. That gives you additional knockouts to be able to add switches if you'd like to operate other accessories on the machine. On my personal RTV, I use the extra knockouts over by the headlight switch. So this is a optional accessory, but one that you may not necessarily need. As you work your way down up here, there is a premium roof up here on the top. The premium roof, I believe, uses the same plastic shell as the inexpensive plastic roof does, but it adds this inside headliner here that has additional wiring harnesses in it for those electrical accessories, and also an area up here to be able to install the factory radio if you would like to do that. You'll notice the mirrors that are in here. There's a large central mirror, just like you would have in your car, your rear view backup mirror, but also a set of mirrors off here on the side to have on the left and the right of the machine. These are kind of cool. They break away easily if you happen to hit something with them, and they also highlight the quick clamp that's on here that allows you to move the accessories around on the roll bar very easily. I think that's cool, and it's often overlooked when you start looking at these accessories. On the back of the headrest back here, you have a bumper for your head. This is not included as standard equipment, but this inexpensive little pad can be added back here to catch your head if you accelerate quickly, which you can because this thing has quite a bit of get up and go. Hydraulic bed dumps are found on a vast majority of Kubota's RTVs. Most of the worksite models that we sell in the diesel family have these as standard equipment, but on the Sidekick, the high-speed sport machine, that hydraulic dump for the bed is not standard equipment. This one though has this installed on it. You'll see this electric over hydraulic pack in the back here that operates the cylinder in order to dump the bed. I like the way that this works. It has power. It's not too whiny. The electric screws that sometimes you'll see on these things don't have near the power and make a racket compared to the nice electric over hydraulic system that's on this one. So that's a little bit on the 2022 Desert Sand Limited Edition Kubota Sidekick. I have really enjoyed the limited edition models that Kubota has come out with this year. It's brought some excitement and attention to some unique products, put some cool accessories on them that we don't see all the time, and I hope it's something that they continue to do in the future. So if you're shopping for a piece of equipment and we can help, if you got parts or service needs for a machine you've already got, if you own an RTV and you're looking for some accessories, we've got them on the shelf here. We're glad to help. You can reach out to us at 800-222-3373 or online at Messick.com. Did I do the phone number twice? Using an electric over hydraulic screw to go through. It's not a screw and okay, have the